Hey, I'm Justin. Before we get started with the video, I want to ask you a few questions. First off, what planet do we live on? That's right, Earth. Okay, that was an easy one, but what about this? See all those greenish brownish shapes on the globe? That represents all the land that's on Earth. What does all the blue represent? Let me give you a hint. Think bathing suits, sands, pail and shovel, boats, shark, yes, oceans. Wow, look at all that blue. Did you know that over 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered in water? And many different animals call the ocean their home. Ocean water is different than the fresh water that you find in a lake or the water that you drink. No, ocean water is salty. Ugh. But ocean animals are able to survive the salty environment. That's why you'll find different kinds of animals living in the ocean than in, say, a freshwater river or lake. So let's take a deep dive as I tell you about some of the amazing animals that you could find in an ocean. Fish. Fish live underwater. They swim, they eat, they have babies, all in the ocean. And they don't even need to come out of the water to breathe. Ocean fish can be really colorful. They can be super tiny, and they can be huge. The biggest fish in the world is called a whale shark. Don't let the name fool you. It's not a whale, it's just a kind of shark. And they're actually really gentle fish. Speaking of sharks, there are over 1,000 different kinds of sharks in the world. Did you know that sharks have been around on Earth since before the dinosaurs? Sharks are super important to the ocean and help keep things in balance for all the animal and plant life that live there. Stingrays are a special type of fish that are related to sharks. Here you could see one swimming through the water, gliding with its big fins. Ooh, what kind of ocean animal is this? 8 arms, and look at all those suction cups. That's right, this is an octopus. These intelligent ocean creatures have a few tricks up their sleeve. 8 sleeves, I guess. They have a few tricks that help them stay safe. Here's one. When an octopus feels threatened, it'll shoot out an inky black fluid from its body. This will confuse and blind its enemy, allowing the octopus time to escape. Not all ocean animals can breathe underwater like fish or octopi can. Some of them need to come up for air. Whoa! Look at the size of that humpback whale that's coming out of the water. You know, scientists don't know why whales do that. It could just be because it's fun. They don't need to do that to breathe either. Whales breathe through holes at the top of their head called blowholes, and they take in air when they're resting or swimming. Humpback whales are known for the songs they sing underwater. Well, only the male humpbacks anyway. Their songs can be heard for miles and miles. Here is an actual recording of a whale singing. Hey, speaking of whales, do you want to know what the biggest animal is? I'm talking bigger than any other animal. It's the blue whale. Wow. Look at that person. That's how big a person is compared to the blue whale. A blue whale is as long as 3 school buses. Its tongue weighs as much as an elephant. The blue whale isn't just the biggest animal alive. It is the biggest animal that has ever existed. Dolphins, like whales, are ocean mammals. They breathe air, like humans. They even have blowholes too, see? When dolphins and whales give birth, they have to push their babies up to the surface of the water so they can take their first breaths. Oh, here's a mommy and a baby dolphin swimming around. Oh, notice their blowholes? Oh, look at this little fella. This is a sea otter. And look at that really thick fur. Unlike other ocean animals, sea otters don't have a layer of fat to keep them warm when the ocean water gets cold, but that thick fur does more than enough to keep it warm. Plus, it also traps in pockets of air, allowing it to float effortlessly along the water's surface. Seals and sea lions live in the ocean too. Their bodies are perfectly designed for zooming around the water. But on land, they drag themselves along as best they can. Hey, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I'm gonna tell you how to tell the difference between a seal and a sea lion. Now, sea lions have ear flaps on their heads. See, look, cute little ear flaps. Whereas seals don't have any visible ear flaps. Take a look. Their ears are just holes on the side of their head. Can you guess what kind of bird lives under the water? I'll give you a hint. It's black and white, waddles when it walks. That's right, it's the penguin. The penguin's body is built for swimming underwater. On land, not so much, but they're champion swimmers. The sea turtle is another really cool animal that lives in the ocean. They hatch on the beach and then they make their way into the ocean where they live the rest of their lives. Oh, hey, this guy looks like he's waving to us. Hello, sea turtle. Oh, and there's so many more animals that we gotta talk about. Walrus and jellyfish and eels and crabs and starfish and there's just too many to talk about in one video. There are so many fantastic ocean animals. And now you know so many more cool things about ocean animals. I think you guys did swimmingly. Great job, everybody. I'll see you next time for another exciting episode of our Tell Me About series. And remember, to always be clever.